Sprinkles here, back at it again with another video. And today's video is just a quick, short, sweet video. I haven't really made a video in not that long, to be honest, but since nothing's really happening in the world today, I got free time on my hands, and today was kind of like an overdrive cleaning day. I thought I would show you guys my bird cage. Basically a little quick tour. There's really not much to see. I'm just gonna put it out there. It's not some big extravagant aviary. I get Sammy out every day. Mind you, he's not in the cage all the day, every day. I say this in the clip, but I just want to also point out that I am still in the taming process of my Cockatiel, Sammy, because my Cockatiel is actually relatively young, pretty young, not even a year old yet. But so far it's going really great and I have high hopes. With that being said, I hope you guys really enjoy this video. I just wanted to show you a quick overview of my Cockatiel Sammy's cage. This is a conure cage recommended by PetSmart, and I thought it would be more than cool and spacey. I'll put the price somewhere on the screen, and it's just on the stand that I got at Walmart for $14.99, I feel like right next to the window because it's natural vitamin D. And I'm sorry about the sticks, they've been pooped on. And this is, you see, food container. I used a different one than what the cage came with, which this is the kind of container that the cage itself came with. What I use for substrate, is just normal paper towels. And you might see my dog because my dog's right there. But just more normal paper towels. Stick, that stick, and that stick came with the cage. This branch is just one of those nail grinding branches, and I can't really remember the price of everything. All I know is that overall I believe I spent on everything, food, I bought everything like that, toys. Some toys aren't even in the cage right now, including the bird. I spent over $500. No, I think $500, something like that. So yeah, I got the cuddle bone, and I'm sorry, I'm really not trying to stick my hand in there too much. We're working on the taming process. So this branch was, I believe, like $9 or something. It's a normal wood branch, natural wood, I should say. And then I got this branch, which is like, I don't even actually know what type of wood this is. It's a different texture and it looks pretty natural. So, I mean, there's really not much to see. I really didn't do a whole lot. Like I said, my bird is currently still getting used to the, surroundings and everything. Today was the first time I ever heard Sammy sing with me while I was in here playing my music, because I come in here every single day and work with her, and it's small steps, but it's good. Just an overview, so I'll show you like this, and yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a good thumbs up if you liked it, and comment and request videos. Also, don't forget to follow my Instagram page for my YouTube channel, which will be in the description below, as well as my Facebook page for my YouTube channel, which will be also in the description below. And with that being said, yeah guys, till next time.
Her mama a party girl, she just wanna have fun too. They say you ain't wifey type, but I don't care.